Hi, everybody. Mike Gerdes here from the Greater Philadelphia Center for Spiritual Living with another love note. You know, one of the things our teaching tells us is that we are always our own experience. So if we're in a situation where we're not experiencing what's going on or what we're feeling right now, we may look out at other people and want to blame them for what they're doing or not doing, people not meeting our expectations, things not going right. But you know, there's only one thing to change. There's only one thing to work on, and that's ourselves. Now, how are we going to do that? I've came to the realization that, you know, the only way that I can really love myself is to first forgive myself for any mistakes I've made. And I can then know that who I am is the essence of God life, God love, expressing itself by means of me. And I can remember that. And I know what the truth of Spirit is. All-powerful, all-knowing, ever-present, abundant, wholeness, joy, beauty. All of those things are the potentiality of my experience. Now, if I'm not experiencing them right now, perhaps I've forgotten that. And I can go back and remind myself what the essence of Spirit is in me. And I can call forth those qualities. I can focus on those qualities and call forth those qualities to come forth at their highest. One of the things, too, that we teach is in spiritual mind treatment, which is our form of affirmative prayer. And when we pray affirmatively, we really don't do anything to an entity outside of ourselves. We're just working with the law. And when we're working with the law, we do so after we first connect with Spirit. So we connect with Spirit and let Spirit reframe and allow us to see a new and better way. And then the law takes it and manifests whatever it is that we seek to express. I know that right where you are, there's a power for good in the universe that's calling forth a greater expression of life, a greater expression of love, and greater good for you. And if the experience you've had up until now, today, hasn't been wonderful, forgive yourself, because right now you choose the best. Right now you choose the positive expectancy of Christ, of God, of Spirit, Buddha, Atman, expressing that its highest by means of you. And in argumentative treatment, what we do then is recognize that any ill feelings we might have are not true about God, not true about Spirit. And so, therefore, they really cannot be true about Spirit expressing itself by means of us. So let's focus on the truth. God is, I am, you are, and all is well. And so it is. Have a great evening, and hopefully I'll see you guys Sunday. I'll be speaking Sunday morning. I'm looking forward to that. And it's going to be fun. Bye-bye now.